Hi and welcome to our analysis of Rushil Decor Ltd, a leading player in the Indian wood panel industry. Founded in 1993, Rushil Decor has established itself as a prominent force in the Indian and global markets. With a presence in over 51 countries, the company has carved a place as a reliable partner for discerning customers worldwide. In this video, we will delve into Rushil Decor's business segments, revenue segments, shareholding, management, cost structure, financials and management outlook for the future. Let's get started on the stock analysis of Rushil Decor Ltd. But before that, let me introduce ourselves. We are PA Wealth, an investment services group. We offer stocks PMS, mutual funds, alternative investment funds, insurance, and startup investments. Every week, we upload research videos on different companies, mutual funds, and financial topics. Stay ahead of the curve with the latest trends and insights by subscribing to our channel and clicking the bell icon to get notified about potential multi-bagger stocks. Let us provide a brief introduction to Rushil Decor. Rushil Decor holds the distinction of being India's third largest MDF board producer, further solidifying its position as a comprehensive solution provider in the wood panel industry. This achievement is further amplified by their four distinct brands: VIR Laminates, VIR MDF, VIR PVC, and VIR STUDDIO, each catering to specific needs and market segments. Beyond MDF, the company boasts a diverse product portfolio encompassing decorative and industrial laminates and PVC catering to both residential and commercial spaces. Let's take a look at the business segments of Rushil Decor. First, medium density board. This segment focuses on MDF, a versatile material that forms a significant part of the company's offerings. This engineered wood panel, known for its smooth surface, consistency, and eco-friendliness, finds application in various sectors, including furniture, cabinetry, and construction. Second, laminates. This segment focuses on laminates, which are thin decorative layers applied to MDF, particle board, or other base materials. With a vast portfolio exceeding 1,200 designs, Rushil Decor caters to diverse aesthetic preferences and functional requirements in both residential and commercial spaces. Third, PVC. This segment focuses on Rushil Decor's PVC offerings. PVC is a versatile and durable material known for its water resistance, termite resistance, and fire retardant properties. The company offers a variety of PVC boards suitable for various applications, including furniture, wall paneling, and interior design projects. Now, let's discuss the revenue segments of Rushil Decor. The MDF is the largest segment of the company's revenue, accounting for 76.18% of the company's total revenue for the third quarter of the financial year 2024. This is followed by the laminates segment, which accounts for 23.82% of the total revenue. Now, geography-wise revenue. Domestic sales account for 68.98% of the company's total revenue for the third quarter of the financial year 2024. Exports account for 31.02% of the total revenue. Now, let's take a look at the management of Rushil Decor. Mr. Kripesh G. Thakkar is the chairman and managing director of Rushil Decor. Mr. Thakkar, with a bachelor's degree in commerce from Gujarat University, boasts over 30 years of expertise in laminates and related products. As the managing director, he not only oversees operations but also leads them with his extensive knowledge and experience in the industry. Thakkar's leadership is marked by a deep understanding of the sector and a proven track record of managing successful operations. Mr. Rushil K. Thakkar, an executive director of Rushil Decor, is a Bachelor of Commerce graduate with more than 9 years of valuable experience in the field. He has played a pivotal role in the establishment of a new MDF facility in Andhra Pradesh, showcasing his adeptness in project management and execution. Thakkar's responsibilities extend to overseeing logistics, warehousing, and export operations, reflecting his multifaceted expertise in driving efficiency across various domains of the business. Mr. Ramanik T. Kansagara is an executive director of Rushil Decor. Mr. Kansagara has been on the board of Rushil Decor since the 2nd of February 2019. He possesses expertise in the production of laminate sheets. Let's take a look at the shareholding of Rushil Decor. The promoters are the largest shareholders of Rushil Decor's India with a holding of 56.39%. Foreign institutional investors hold 1.17% of the shares. The public holds 42.42% of the shares. Other institutions include several investors, such as banks and insurance companies. They hold 0.01% of the shares. Let's take a look at the cost structure of Rushil Decor. Raw material expenses are the largest component of Rushil Decor's cost structure, accounting for 51.68% of the total costs. Power and fuel costs account for 8.43%. Other manufacturing expenses account for 5.67%. Employee cost accounts for 5.63%. Selling and admin expenses account for 11.11%. Other expenses account for 1.74%. Now, let's focus on the financials of Rushil Decor. The table shows that the company's net sales have grown steadily from 255.67 crores in the financial year 2014 to 837.96 crores in the financial year 2023 at a CAGR of 12.6%. The company's profit after tax has also grown steadily from 3.01 crores in the financial year 2014 to 77.68 crores in the financial year 2023 at a CAGR of 38.41%. At last, the company's return on equity has increased from 4.02% in the financial year 2014 to 21.38% in the financial year 2023. Let's now turn to the management commentaries to get a better understanding of the company's performance. First, industry outlook. The MDF industry from FY11 to FY23 grew at a CAGR of 11% to 5,000 crore rupees and is expected to grow to 6,000 crore rupees by FY25 with expected volume growth of 20%. The Indian laminates industry is currently valued at 6,500 crore rupees and is expected to reach 9,000 crore rupees at a CAGR of 11.5% by FY26, driven by increasing living standards and consumer preference shift for modern homes. The company reported revenue growth of 44% for the MDF segment for FY23, whereas for the laminates segment revenue growth was 12% for FY23. In Q3 FY24, the company's Chikhangaluru plant in Karnataka had its highest ever sales volume and surpassed capacity utilization of 120%. The MDF sales volume stood at 65,896 cbm, growing by 15% year-on-year for Q3 FY24, while laminate sales volume stood at 7.37 lakh, declining by 5% for Q3 FY24. Now, future outlook. The company plans to optimize its MDF plant capacity and increase its capacity utilization, targeting 90 to 95% over the next 2 years from the current 75% in FY23. The company is targeting to increase the proportion of value-added products to 55% in terms of value from the current proportion of 52% by the next quarter. The company plans to allocate 15% to 20% of MDF segment capacity to meet export market demand. As BIS norms on MDF imports get implemented in February 2024, it could provide an opportunity to increase the company's share in the domestic market. The company's greenfield capex of 90 crore rupees for the premium laminates project, which will manufacture jumbo boards and will cater to the premium export markets like Europe, USA, Australia, New Zealand, etc., will be operational in the upcoming quarters. The company plans to increase its turnover to 2,500 crore rupees over the next 5 years. That's all for today. I hope you found this video helpful. If so, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more research-based financial content and click the bell icon for potential multi-bagger stocks. In the comments below, let us know what topics you'd like us to cover in future videos. Thanks for watching.